Want to know how to make this Christmas card with Cricut?
Yes.
In this video, I will show you how to make yours. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into this project. Here are the materials you will need. Your Cricut machine, 4 different colors of cardstock. I used the pattern paper for the envelope, my weeding tools and brayer, some tacky glue, and my #1 scoring wheel with a light grip mat. Now it's time to open up Cricut Design Space. When you open it up, you're going to go to the top right corner and just click My Projects. Then select Christmas and type in Candy Cane to find the card very easily. You can see all the materials needed are listed here as well. You can go right to make it if you have all the cardstock needed. It is ready to cut. Here, when you're customizing your mats, you just want to make sure you have all your material size correctly selected. And then you go to Browse Materials and select, I'm using light cardstock, which is favorited here. Then lay your paper down on your light grip mat. Use the brayer or scraper to roll it down flat. And depending on what Design Space asks, you may need to load your scoring wheel in first and then your fine point blade. When weeding your materials, it's always recommended to turn the mat over and slowly peel it back. Then you can use your scraper to get rid of pieces left behind. I chose this beautiful pattern paper for the envelope. It's very light paper, but I don't have to worry about it since it's just the envelope. Here are all the materials that the Cricut just cut out for this project. First, I'm going to fold along the score lines for our envelope and use my scraper to help crease it. And then I will also just use some tacky glue to adhere it together. I also used my scraper again just to smooth out the glue between the 2 tabs. And then just put it aside so it can dry. Then it's time to assemble your card. So you can dry assemble it first, just so you know the exact order that you need to glue them together. Now I'm gonna grab some tacky glue and put fine lines of it all over the green paper and lay it carefully so all the edges line up perfectly. And then I use the brayer to smooth out all the glue lines. You can also use a glue stick, but just remember to put the adhesive on both sides of the paper that are making contact. And I used my brayer again just to make it flat. Now it's time to glue the top piece. Again, just lay out some thin lines of glue. Carefully place it on top. I like using the tacky glue because it's a little forgiving if I need to move it around. Then just use your brayer to smooth out everything. Now it's just time to fold up your card. Use the scraper for a good crease. And then I just used my tweezers because I had a little bit of paper sticking out and wanted to fix. And you can see if it's perfectly within the envelope. Here's the finished product. It was so easy. It takes less than 30 minutes to make this beautiful handmade card. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here or click here for the entire playlist. And don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I'll see you guys next week. If you'd like, you can also use